Welcome to another truck hardware installation tutorial. Today we are installing our new updated diesel skid plate for the 2023 Ford Super Duty diesel. This kit is a great way to protect the underside of your vehicle. As always, remember that this video is to be used as a companion to the included installation instructions. Before you start, make sure that all the hardware and custom design brackets included with your kit are present and ready for installation. With all that out of the way, let's get started. To start, go to the front cross member and remove the push pin holding the vacuum hose in place. Then grab the mounting plate in your kit and position it over top of the same area. Once in place, position a 3/8 cap screw and flat washer through the hole on the back of the cross member circled here, and into the mounting plate hole circled here. Secure this hardware using a flat washer, a lock washer, and a hex nut. Next, get a 5/16 inch cap screw and flat washer, and place it through the other hole on the back of the cross member circled here. Once again, secure this hardware to the mounting plate using a flat washer, a lock washer, and a hex nut. This hardware can be seen fully installed in the following clips. With the mounting plate in position, let's get some basic setup done next. Go over to the rear mount cross member seen here and use a 13/16 socket or a 1/2 inch impact ratchet to remove the 2 factory nuts located on the cross member. Set these aside for later reinstallation. Now grab your back skid piece plate and install the grommet included in your kit into the hole seen here. With that all done, take the skid plate and slide the front of it onto the inside lip of the mounting plate. The following image shows how the skid plate should slide onto the mounting plate. Once the front of the skid plate is supported by the front mount, hold the rear of the skid plate in place over top of the factory bolts on the transmission mount cross member. Reinstall the factory nuts we removed earlier to loosely secure the rear of the skid plate. Now go back to the front and align the clinch nuts circled here with the holes on the front of the mount plate. Secure these holes using 3 sets of 1 inch cap screws, lock washers, and flat washers. With everything loosely secured to the vehicle, go over the rest of the skid plate and tighten all fasteners. Install the access door to the clinch nuts on the bottom of the skid plate using 3 cap screws, lock washers, and flat washers. Finally, use a zip tie to attach the factory vacuum hose, removed at the start of this video, to the top passenger side hole on the front mount bracket. Congratulations, you've just finished installing your diesel skid plate. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe. Check out the rest of our channel and website for additional tips, tricks, and installation guides. Thanks for choosing Truck Hardware.